Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to present to you the release notes of Boyum IT's Beas Manufacturing 2023.06. In this version, we concentrated on the performance improvement of several areas, ranging from batch changes to dispatches and routing master data windows, redesigned advanced GL account determination, and introduced a new field for WMS integration. Let's see all these in detail. Before, Beas had hardcode rules to read account determination. The system always read the 10 standard defined fields by SAP, and UDFs were not taken into consideration. Now we have re-implemented the query to search account in advance GL determination. The system now reads the structure defined by the customer, and user-defined fields are also taken into consideration. Please note that Beas only reads UDF from the item master data table, but does not read UDFs that belong to the document's header and the document's line because this logic does not apply to Beas. As part of WMS integration, 3 new fields have been added to the batch tracing window: Quality of Status, LUID, and SSCC. Additional to these fields for WMS, we added 6 general fields, user fields 1 to 6, that can be used for general purposes to add customer information. Before, the batch changes function inside the item structure window took a lot of time to load all records. Now, Beas has re-implemented the logic to load records by simplifying filters. As a workaround, you can manually replace the files below in the 2023.06 version. Before, the dispatches window took long to be opened when there were lots of records to display. Now, the Beas query is improved to optimize time to display results. As part of usability improvements, the description field of the routing master data and routing of work order have been modified to enable the horizontal scroll property. We'd like to remind our partners and customers that in our previous version, 2023.04, we introduced our very own brand new Boyum style. We offer this enhancement as a style that the user can select at any time. If you wish to keep the traditional design, it is always selectable in the Administration menu View Setting group. Just open the Design drop-down menu and select any of the SAP type themes or the brand new Boyum style. To activate the new theme in SAP, just enable the Activate Style inside SAP checkbox. In the previous version, we introduced new stock Boyum colors that support our branding. We are launching a brand new set of optimized, modernized icons with flat design and enhanced usability in all types of Beas forms. This concludes the summary of the fixes and improvements introduced with Beas Manufacturing 2023.06. We'd like to invite you to download this latest upgrade and also try the new design released with the previous version. According to our release roadmap, our next version will be 2023.09 to be released at the end of September. Thank you very much for your attention.